Have you ever wondered why Java makes you declare variable types while some other languages like Python lets you change them on fly? That's because Java is strongly typed, meaning every variable must have a defined type. In just 6 minutes, you will master Java variables and data types, and even understand why they matter for real-world applications. Stick around till the end to learn best practices and common pitfalls that will help you become a better programmer, plus a quick challenge to test your skills and a sneak peek into next exciting topic. Let's dive in. Before we dive into variables, let's quickly connect this with our last video. We built a Crux press printing program, and today we are going to extend it by learning about variables, one of the key building blocks of Java. If you missed that video, check the link on the screen. In Java, everything happens inside a class, a blueprint that groups related data and behavior. Think of it like a factory where different elements work together. In last video, we built Crux press. Inside this, we had a main method, which is a class member. And among the class members are variables, which store information.
Oops.
Think of variables like these boxes, with label being the variable name and the box size being the data type. So let's go ahead and throw some variables in our class. Here, location and machines available are variables inside our class, representing the printing press location and available equipment needed for operation. Declaring a variable means telling Java what type it will be, but not giving it a value yet. Initializing means actually assigning a value. Once declared, a variable's value can also be changed, and this is called reassignment. However, if a variable is declared as final, it cannot be reassigned. It's just like getting a tattoo. Once it's there, you better be sure you like it.
I'm not crying.
Understanding this will help you avoid bugs and write cleaner Java code. Java is damn serious about types, and it enforces data types strictly to manage memory efficiently and prevent bugs. Java has two main categories of data types, primitive and non-primitive. Let's break them down. Primitive types store simple values. They have fixed size in memory. For example, byte, short, int, and long are used for whole numbers. Float and doubles are used for decimal numbers. Char is used for single characters. Boolean is used for true and false kind of values. The non-primitive data types store references to the objects. The most common ones are string, arrays, classes, interfaces. Strings are sequence of characters commonly used for storing and manipulating text. For example, string message creates a string variable containing text happy birthday. Arrays, on the other hand, store multiple values of the same type in a structured format. For instance, int array machine IDs declares an array of integers. Arrays help in handling lists of data efficiently, helps you do operations like sorting and searching. Notice the difference? A primitive like int stores a value, while non-primitive types like array or string stores a reference to its data in memory. That's why strings in Java are immutable. Now that we have mastered the fundamentals, let's look at best practices and common mistakes. Use meaningful variable names to improve readability. Use constants to prevent accidental modifications. Prefer double over float for precision in calculations. Always initialize variables before you use to avoid unexpected errors. Use var in Java 10 and above for readability, but only when the type is obvious. Uninitialized variables will cause an error. Type mismatches won't work. Overflow issues like byte machine ID equals to 130, that's out of range for a byte. Use double unless memory is a concern. Using double equal for string comparison, use equals methods instead. Avoiding these pitfalls will make your Java code more efficient, readable, and bug-free. Now you know Java variables inside out. Here's a challenge for you. Try declaring a long variable for a phone number and format it properly in Java. And I would love to hear from you. Comment below on how would you approach to this problem. In the next video, we will explore typecasting in Java. So stay tuned. If this video helped, make sure to subscribe for more Java tips and tutorials. I will see you in the next one. Happy coding!